Today we are going to discuss about question tag. Before we start our topic, first we have to know what is question tag. If we talk to someone, we use some short questions like aren't we, aren't they, isn't he, doesn't she. They are what? They are short questions when we use in conversation. So we can say that it is a common or short question to make a statement and ask for confirmation. We can say that it is not a complete question. And first, one thing which is important, that all question tags come after a statement. After that, we have to know the types of question tags. Question tags is divided into two different parts. First one is positive tag and second one is negative tag. If we talk about positive tag, the statement of it is always a negative tag. Like we are not reading. Here, this statement is negative but tag is positive. But we talk about negative tag. Here we are reading, aren't we? Here the statement is positive but tag is negative. So we can say this is negative tag and this is what? Positive tag. So we can say that positive question tag, if the question tag is attached to a negative statement, it is said to be a positive question tag. Here we can clear this with this example. He's not learning is here. He is not learning is negative statement, but tag is positive. The structure of this is, first we have to use auxiliary verb plus subject, then question mark. But what about auxiliary verb? We can say that it is helping verb like is, was, were, am, are, has, have, had, and also modal verbs. Now we have to know about negative question tag. Tags are said to be negative if it is attached to a positive statement. Here, example, we are working, aren't we? Here, we are working is what? This is positive statement. But what about question tag? This is negative. So, structure of this is, first we have to use auxiliary verb, then not, and then subject. Auxiliary verb plus not means to say short attachment of helping verb and not, like do plus not equal to don't, does plus not doesn't, is plus not isn't, are plus not aren't, like this. First, one thing which is important, that noun is never used in question tag but pronoun. Means to say what? In question tag we use always he, she, it, they, etc. They all are what? They all are pronoun. We always use pronoun in question tag but not a noun. After that, we have to know some special cases in question tag, like if am is used in statement, then in question tag we have to use are as auxiliary verb, not am. Here am I not, if in statement am I not is used, then is not written as amn't I, but it is written as aren't I in question tag. Like I am right. Here this is a statement, I am right. Here auxiliary verb use am, but in question tag am is not used. Here aren't used. So if in statement am is used as auxiliary verb, in question tag we have to use aren't. Second case is if the statement start with let's, then the auxiliary verb of the question tag will be shall. Here let's go for a walk, shall we? Here let's go for a walk. Here no any auxiliary verb is used, so we have to use shall in question tag if statement start with let's. Third case is if the statements tells about any order or request, then the auxiliary verb in question tag will be can. Like wait a minute, here no any auxiliary verb is used, but this is what? Request. So we have to use can as auxiliary verb in question tag. Now something very important which is keep in mind always when we talk about question tag. First one is question tag never start with a capital letter. Question tag never start with a capital letter. Why? Are not, aren't. This is the right process to write a question tag. But if we talk about this one, are not, this is start with what? Capital letter. What? Capital letter. So are not write like this in question tag because it is start with capital letter. But here we know that question tag never start with a capital letter. So this is the wrong process. We have to use question tag like this, aren't, not like this. Second case is subject of a tag can never be a noun, it is always a pronoun. This topic we also cover here. Noun is never used in question tag but pronoun. So this topic is clear to you. Now let me talk about next. In case there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, then do, does, did is used in the tag. Here example, they went to temple, didn't they? Here not any auxiliary verb is used, so we have to use didn't they. But why you use didn't they? Why you use? If second form of verb in statement here went, so we have to use didn't in question tag. If here first form of verb is used in a statement, so we have to use do in question tag. And if verb fifth form of verb is used in a statement, so we have to use does in question tag. Here we can see that verb first means to say first form of verb we have to use do, second form of verb we have to use did, and fifth form of verb we have to use does. And one thing which is most important in question tag, just see here, if subject of statement is this, then we have to use it as a pronoun in question tag. If that is a subject in statement, then we have to use it in question tag. These become they, those become they, one become one, and it become it. So thanks my dear student. Next video will be uploaded soon. Means to say second part of question tag. It is not fully covered. It will be covered in second video. So start